everyone, how are you all doing? I am doing just fine. Thankfully we are home and we are safe. So that's the biggest blessing right now. I feel if you're with the family, if you're safe, you're home. Just thank God for that. So I'll just get back to the little bit of introduction about me. My name is Surbhi Kalia. People who've been watching my channel, you know me. People who have just clicked into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because trust me, you'll find something interesting for your choice. And you can also request me to make a video regarding fashion, beauty, grooming, about a little bit of exercise I talk about. I also talk about yoga. Today I'm going to talk about reverse foundation procedure. Okay, so this is my totally no makeup look. Okay, what is a reverse foundation technique which I've just heard about and I was so excited to try it. So I said, okay, you know, I'm not a big makeup artist. I'm somebody just like you who likes to try makeup, who likes to share whatever I have learned or whatever I feel is exciting. So this is the same tech. When they say celebrities makeup look like so flawless, when you see those celebrities, they're all nice and neat. They have a right kind of little bit of glow going on and a blush going on, but you know, it still looks so natural. Got to know that there's a reverse foundation technique which they use, which obviously when I read about it, it was more just like a blog. I'm doing it right in front of you in detail. So we'll get into this video and I'll tell you how do we go about it. So first of all, I'll tell you the basic about this video is that you have to use mostly all cream products. So and what we do first is we do a contouring first, we do a concealer first, we do a blush on first, we do a highlighting first, and then next step we go to our foundation. So let's see how it goes. So first of all, because when I talk a lot, my lips already feel dry. So I'll start with the lip balm. My favorite lip balm from Fab India. So natural, smells nice, no color, makes me feel good. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover my little bit of under eye area, dark circles. Don't have much of it, but today I'm gonna do it in detail. So what I am using is this LA Girl Orange Concealer. I'm not gonna do like voiceover because I really want this video show it to you live. You should not feel that I'm kind of hiding something. So people who have used orange concealer, they know it takes some time for orange concealer to settle. And if you really don't have dark circle issues, even I don't have, but I really want to do it all together. So, and basically I don't have many spots or dark spots. So basically I just need it on my under eye. But if you have a little bit of blue black kind of pigmentation around your mouth or nose, you can use it over there. But do use very little. As you can see, it is so pigmented. Okay, so as you can see, I have blended a little bit. It will get absorbed in a while. Now I'll go to my bronzing. Okay, so bronzing, how I do my bronzing is this brown concealer from LA Girl. It can be used as a bronzer. So how do you go about bronzing is that you go, and I want my face to look uplifted. So as you can see, I'm going a little dark with it. Because I'll be putting foundation over it, so that effect has to look through it. Again, I'll use the other product, which is my other beauty blender, like this. I know it's looking not too great right now how it's looking, but I'm just waiting for the good results later. As you can see, my bronzer has gone a little bit lower because it's a cream bronzer. It does happen with a cream bronzer. Okay, so now what I do is I have done this. I'll use my concealer now because I want to see the difference. The brown and the orange is looking too close on my face and I don't have a big face. So I'll use my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Just a bit over here, and I normally use it under my bronzer, like to get the perfect line on my acnes. Little bit over here. You can use this to highlight your face also, okay, because most of our highlighting we'll do it right now. If needed, we can do later. orange is almost blended. My under area looks bright. Good contouring on my face, but yes, this is not yet done. We have to use a blusher now. So blusher, for the blusher, I have to tell you I don't have a liquid blusher. So what I'm going to use is थोड़ा सा जुगाड़, जो मैं एक लिपस्टिक यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. ये बहुत नेचुरल के कॉस्मेटिक्स से लिपस्टिक है. मैं थोड़ा नेचुरल दैट लुक आई वांट. सो आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस and so I'm gonna put little bit. Too much? Okay. So maybe we'll go step by step. So I made like small two lines. Okay, so the blush on is done. I think the pigmentation is fine. Okay, so blusher is done. Now I don't have a liquid highlighter also, because I have highlighters just so good. I personally don't like try so many. I like trying so many things, but when I have the perfect thing going on, you don't go out, and I don't get any PR packets yet. So I'll use this perfect Master Chrome highlighter, and I'll wet my brush and I use it. So जुगाड़ तो हर जगह चलता है. So what I'll do is this is my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. This is my highlighter brush. I'll use 6 Plus to spray a little bit over here. I'm spraying on my camera. Okay, so let's do it. So a little bit over here like this, and I'll go like this. This also adds that creaminess to the effect. I also use it over my foundation when I'm all done. I also do that, but sometimes I have felt that it looked a little bit made up. It did not look too natural. So whatever extra lighting you want to do on here, like the brow bone and everything, you can do that later also, but we'll do it right now because I'm not gonna put lot of foundation over here. And rest we can do like cupid pose and all, we can do it on the top also. But let's see, let's try it over here. I normally highlight these areas of my face and nose. How can I forget? I actually forgot to contour my nose, so I'll do little bit of contouring of my nose, little bit, not too much. Okay, so a little bit contouring of the nose is also done. So as I can see, I have done almost my basic makeup. So now the main step come. Now we've done a base. Let's see how does this reverse foundation technique work. So the foundation I'm using is this Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm a little obsessed with it. I know you people are always thinking, kya ho gaya hai? But yes, I'm in love with it. I mean, it's so comfortable. Just every time I just go and pick this up. I have a lot of good foundations. Okay, so how do I go about applying it is, of course, I'll start with my like right from a little bit under my eye and all over my face. So I will not spare my eye area. I will start like this, maybe not too high, but yeah. So personally, if you ask me, I think you can see it on the camera, I can see some shadow of the contour. It is actually looking natural, and more time it will take to get absorb in your face and it'll oxidize a little bit. I'm sure the glow and the whole contour and the blush will show off. Just quickly do my eyes a little bit and fast forward. So I hope this technique really works. I mean, I can see that the foundation is settling in, the brightness and the contour, everything is showing properly. And if you think it's not enough, of course you can do a little bit of powder contour or a little bit of extra highlighter on the top. But I personally feel if you go a little more intense in the first step and you go foundation with the foundation, because if you put a good concealer and the corrector earlier, so you might not need a lot of foundations. You need little foundation. I use 2 pumps. Actually, you should just go with 1 pump. That's just a trial. So personally, I tried right in front of you, and I personally feel this is such a great technique. I mean, I'm sure we all look more natural. I didn't want to wear a real lipstick. I tried a little bit lighter, but I don't know, with all this getting ready, getting my hair straightened, I actually cut my hair on my own. If you'll ask me how did I do it, don't ask me, because I just did it randomly. I already had like a straight cut, so I just kind of put them all together and started cutting from the front and a little bit from the back. My husband helped me, so just jugaad. So I've just wore this red color, as I told you, just because I was wearing this top with a little bit of red in it, so I thought it's okay, red will look nice, and the whole look was going well so together. Otherwise I wanted a little more more natural with it. But personally, I like this look, and do try this look. I mean, it's a great technique to look more natural. It will not look like the layers are going on. This is a better version when you talk about blended foundation, like more blended look. I think all the bridesmaids should go for this, because you don't want to look like a bride, but you do want to look glowy and natural. And as I feel, ये तो मेरा natural glow है, मैं तो parlor गई ही नहीं. If it works. Okay, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to show some love, like, share and comment on my videos. Lots of love, maybe. Stay home, stay safe and enjoy the day.